Hello there. I am going to be trying out some products from City Beauty, specifically their City Lips products. Thank you so much to City Beauty for sponsoring this video and providing all of these products for me to try out. I am totally new to the line. I've definitely heard of it, but I've never tried anything from the line, so I'm excited to show you and tell you what I think. The City Beauty line is of course cruelty-free, wouldn't be talking about it if it wasn't. It is paraben-free, and these lip plumping products do not contain menthol, capsium, which is from chili peppers. They don't have cinnamon or any of those common irritants that brands often use to induce swelling in the lips, thus plump them up. So I'm pretty excited to see if it works because I didn't know if that was possible or not. Can we get fuller looking lips without irritating them? There are hyaluronic acid spheres in their plumping lip products. Hyaluronic acid is actually what they use to inject as lip filler. So this is not going to give you the same effect as lip filler, but that is the same ingredient. It helps to bind moisture, draw in moisture, plump things up, obviously. Just for some context before we get started, I am 41 years old. I have never done any type of lip filler, so these are my naturally aging lips. So all of the effects you see, positive or negative, are a result of just me, natural aging, and hopefully some plumping power from City Lips along the way. So we're going to be trying out a City Lips Night Oil. This is a plumping overnight lip oil. We're going to try out the line therapy, which is a line treatment. And then we have 4 different plumping glosses. We have a clear, and then we have 3 shades. So if you want to save on these products, enter the code Ivy Boyd, that's my name, to save 15% off on the City Beauty site. First, going to apply the line therapy. This is a lip treatment, and like it says, it's for lines on the lips, around the lips. It has copper peptides and ceramides. This is a very lotion-like texture. It's not like a lip balm, so don't expect it to feel that way. It does have a white color, so you have to rub it in. And I'm just going to apply that just over the lip line, because we want to hit those little lines around the outside. As we age, you are going to notice more of the little lines, and then also just kind of your lip line not being as defined. At least that's what I'm noticing. So the only thing I don't like about this, because I like the texture a lot, it soaks right in. It doesn't taste very good. So don't eat it, okay? So it'd be great to do this before you start your makeup, so by the time you get to your lips at the end, this has, settled in. It's helped plump up those fine lines, and it makes a really nice lip primer, I would say. Now, I'm going to show you the night oil, which obviously you would apply overnight, but I do think this is a nice, nourishing thing you could also apply while you're doing other steps of your makeup. So this is going to help nourish overnight. It is an oilier consistency, although I do feel like this is, I don't know, it's kind of more of a lip gloss consistency. I don't feel like this feels like a lip oil, which I like a lot actually. I feel like lip oils just don't stay on very long, and this actually does adhere to the lip and stick around for a little bit. This has no unpleasant tingling. This one doesn't have really a taste much at all. And this one is just very pleasant. I would definitely apply this at night, but like I said, just because it's not night, I like to apply it just around the house or while I'm doing my makeup, let that settle in while I do other steps. But yeah, love the texture. Despite it being called a plumping oil, to me this feels like a plumping overnight gloss. City Lips sent me 4 different glosses. This is just the clear gloss. This is called Tinseltown. It's got a little bit of sparkle, but it's not very pink. It looks like a very, very sheer pink with a little sparkle. Then we have San Diego. This is metallic, so it definitely does have some metallic frosty particles in there. And then we have Pink Nude, and this is a cream, so there's no sparkle or iridescence to this one. So this is the clear gloss, and I saw a makeup artist Painted by Spencer use this to prep a model, and he explained how, because it's a plumping gloss, to put it slightly outside the lip line to plump up those fine lines around the lip line. And I thought, that is so smart. I would have never thought to do that, to use a clear plumping gloss to prep for lips. And you can even put another plumping gloss on top of this, but just using the clear, being able to go outside the lip border, very smart. Here's the clear City Lips plumping gloss close up. Just a really nice clear gloss, no sparkle in this. not that I can detect, and I would wear this on my own. If my lips had a little more natural pigment, this would be great. I do prefer a gloss with a little more color, so let's look at the others. Now we're going to apply Tinseltown. This is a very sheer pink with some sparkle, and I do think you can tell. It will catch and reflect the light a little bit. So for me, I like a little bit of color like this, and you know what? Can you tell? I already have more like increased blood flow in my lips from the previous City Lips products I've been putting on. So I love that my lips already have a lot more natural pigment than they usually do because of these products kind of already getting my lips plumped up a little bit. So this is Tinseltown. I think this is really pretty and would be great on top of a lip color because it doesn't have much, but it gives your lips that little bit of sparkle, reflects the light a little bit. Very comfy, very pretty. Tinseltown close up. I don't know if you can see the sparkles, but they're just enough that I think they're very pretty and feels comfy on. I like it. Right, we are moving on to Pink Nude. So that's gonna be the most full color one. This is more opaque. It has no shimmer in it. And I don't know if I love this color on me because it is like, yeah, I don't think it's a great color for me, but I can tell a lot of people would love this. I sometimes struggle with these kind of pinky nude shades, but it definitely has more color. So if you did a lip liner first, a darker one on me, and then you did this in the middle, I think it'd be really pretty, especially if you do like almost that really nudie look. I like more color in my lips and I need more pink or something than this. Pink Nude close up, like I said, not the best color on me, but I know a lot of people who would love this because it really is a pink nude. I would say it leans a lot more nude than it does pink, and hopefully that's coming through. I saved this one for last because it definitely has the most noticeable color and it's got that metallic quality to it. It's definitely metallic, and initially I was like, oh no, I'm not gonna like this at all because I'm just not into it. But then I, saw that metallic lips were kind of becoming a trend again. And I wore this over a lip color and it added this really pretty sheen with that like gold luminescence on top. So I actually ended up liking this a lot more than I thought I would. And yeah, once I get it on there, the metallic quality isn't as like 1980s frosty as I thought it would be. So this was a surprise hit, San Diego. Here's San Diego a little closer. Hopefully you can see a little bit of the metallic quality. But like I said, it's not the super frosty lips that I don't like. So it's enough metallic quality that I think it's actually really pretty. I hope you enjoyed trying out the City Beauty City Lips line with me. They have a ton of products that cater to plumping the lips in a way that is not painful or irritating, and I love that about the line. I honestly didn't know if that existed. I kind of thought you had to have some sort of irritant, whether that be chili pepper or menthol, to induce that reaction in your lips of swelling, and City Lips products have proved to me that you do not, and I am very pleasantly surprised by that. I love using these just as a prep product alone because, the clear gloss, the lip oil, or the line therapy, all three, those increase the blood flow right away. So I already had more pigmented lips, which for me is something that I'm noticing I'm losing pigment. I mean, I'm 41 and that's totally normal. That does happen. But I'm losing pigment and I'm losing definition around my lip line, and just these giving me a little bit more color on my lips, that was already a win for me. And then a little bit of plumpness and filling in the lines and just kind of reflecting the light differently. For me, this delivers the amount of plumpness that I would want in a way that's actually really comfortable. I will, of course, link everything I tried out and list the shades in the description bar below, as well as put that 15% off discount code IvyBoyd for you to save some money if you decide to try out some City Beauty products for yourself. Thank you again to City Lips for sponsoring this video, and thank you for watching.